To create a DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL database, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the dashboard. From there, click on the Create button and select Databases from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Create a Database page, where you can choose the type of database you want to create. Select PostgreSQL from the list of available database engines. Next, choose the cluster configuration that suits your needs. You can choose from a variety of plans, including Basic, Standard, and Premium. Each plan offers different levels of performance, storage, and memory. Consider the requirements of your application and select a plan that meets your needs. Once you have selected your cluster configuration, you will need to configure your database settings. This includes setting a password for the Postgres user, as well as configuring the database name, username, and password. Make sure to use a strong password and keep it secure, as this will be used to access your database. After configuring your database settings, you will need to select a data center to host your database. DigitalOcean has data centers located all over the world, so choose one that is closest to your application or users. This will help reduce latency and improve performance. Finally, click on the Create Database Cluster button to create your managed PostgreSQL database. This will take a few minutes, and once it is complete, you will be able to connect to your database using a PostgreSQL client or library. To connect to your database, you will need to use the connection details provided by DigitalOcean. This includes the host name, port, username, password, and database name. You can find these details in the DigitalOcean dashboard, under the Connection Details section. DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL offers a number of benefits, including high performance, scalability, and security. It also provides automatic backups, patching, and monitoring, so you can focus on developing your application rather than managing your database. By following these steps, you can create a secure and scalable PostgreSQL database in just a few minutes.